He thought he'd struck gold, AMD CPUs for just $7 each, but what he actually bought? A tech nightmare. For one gamer it looked like the ultimate deal. Boxes and boxes of AMD processors listed for the price of a fast food meal, a jackpot, a miracle, a once-in-a-lifetime hardware haul. But the reality was far worse than he could have imagined. When Reddit user old_man_gaming stumbled across the deal, it almost felt too good to be true. And spoiler alert, it absolutely was. But let's rewind. He'd found a listing for a massive lot of AMD CPUs. Not one or two, dozens, maybe hundreds. And they were selling for just $7 a piece. For any gamer or PC builder, that's a dream scenario. He placed the order. Excitement? Sky high. Then the package arrived. Now before we tell you what was actually in the box, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more tech tales, gaming surprises, and stories that aren't always what they seem. Back to the unboxing. At first glance, the shipment looked promising. The shape, the weight, the label, all perfect. But as he started to sort through the contents, the dream turned into a total joke. Because what he received wasn't working CPUs, it wasn't even functioning tech. It was a pile of dead processors discarded for recycling, scratched, bent, corroded, and absolutely useless. In other words, e-waste. Turns out, the seller had been unloading non-functional, physically damaged CPUs to anyone naive enough to believe the price wasn't a red flag. And old_man_gaming wasn't the only victim. Others had also shared similar horror stories, having fallen into the same trap. The worst part? Many of the chips looked legitimate at first glance, adding to the illusion, but were either fake, gutted for parts, or internally fried. It's a tough lesson in the world of bargain hunting. If the deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Want the full breakdown of what happened, how he responded, and what you should watch out for when buying components online? The full article is linked in the first pinned comment. Go check it out now before your next PC build.